Hey yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming back. It's been a while, and as you guys can see behind me, I have a bunch of components. What am I doing? I'm building my first PC. It's more like a gaming PC editing. I'll be editing on this. It's gonna be a freaking beast. We are in the new house. I'm not gonna show too much. There will be a reveal. There's gonna be a reveal eventually with the house. Right now I'm by the dining table. It's pretty nice. I haven't posted it in a while, but we are going to be building this. I've watched multiple guides. I've been looking through it, doing my research, and I'm pretty sure I'm ready to build this. Yes. Okay, we're gonna be starting off by naming the components. I'm gonna go through what I have. I'm gonna tell you guys a bit about it. So, first time building a PC, so if I do something wrong, don't freak out. So this is my case. This is the Fantex P400 tempered glass edition. It's a silent edition, so it has a bit of like soundproofing around it. It's probably just a marketing thing. I don't know how it's gonna compare without the silent edition. But yeah, this thing comes with 2 fans. I've ordered another fan. It's not here yet. I think there's a problem in the order. But there's 2 fans in there. It's gonna be fine for now. I won't be doing crazy I won't overclock probably without my other fans. And yeah, it comes with an RGB strip. It's all white. I'm going for kind of a white and black theme. I have a new desk upstairs, so I'll show you guys that later. What else? We can go with my storage. I have a disk drive. This is 2 terabytes. Seagate, I think it's like Skyhawk or something like that. Some brand. It's a slower drive. Top IO. I'm running her down with the tripod. Quick sneak peek. Probably can't see. It's tempered glass. It's like a mirror. This is the front of it. If it's ever gonna focus. Logo down there. It's a beauty. I love it. Static electricity running around, you know what I'm saying? Because upstairs is carpeted floor, so I'd rather do it on some hardwood floor with a nice wooden table. This is it. You have some covers up top, just in case. Nice tempered glass. Front panel comes off. You have some LEDs right out under it right there. Lights up the Fantex logo. Nice big button on top. Nice, it's pretty roomy in there. I find there's a nice cover right down there to cover up your power supply, and then there's a couple spots for some storage. So that's nice, keeps it nice. What I didn't mention is I'm gonna try to keep myself grounded. I don't know how the static electricity stuff works right now. We're kind of at the bottom, have a lower down angle. One thing I didn't talk about is the parts that I'm gonna be using, or the tools I should say. Little toolkit. It ain't no iFixit kit. Got a knife for popping boxes open, even though that's mostly done. Motherboard. Let's pop her open. Oh, she's already open. Ooh, look at that beauty. And there, you guys probably seen a bunch of unboxings. Motherboard. If I do anything wrong, tell me in the comments, just so I can learn for next time. Okay, I got a couple cables. I'm not sure their names, but I kind of know where they go to. Zip ties, cable management, IO shield, some more cables. Oh, beauty! Whatever those are called for coffee. I guess it's like a coaster. That's it. A coaster. Labels for your wires, so you know where they go to. Okay, let's pop her open. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's get ready. Let's open up the CPU. Let me scooch this in front. or you're running around. Like I was saying, AMD Ryzen 7. I'm just gonna use the stock cooler. We can leave that in the box for now. I might need thermal paste. I just thought of that. Or there probably is some pre-applied actually to the fan. It's not really directly in the CPU. Okay. Grab it from the side. Let's not touch the pins. Line it up. Just drop it, just like that. Ooh. We can lower this little guy. Sweet, are we in place? Yes, we are. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna take the original heat looking thing off. So these two things there on the side, that's for an older AMD cooler. They still leave them on. Obviously they're gonna do that because we got those off. Now it's time for the cooler. Let's pop this thing off. Check this guy out. It's a hottie. My cooler, maybe I should. Okay. We got the cooler out. Beauty. Okay, there is pre-applied thermal paste. I see it. Look at this thing. I'm pretty sure this one has LEDs on it, red LEDs. Oof. Okay, CPU fan is on. Low-key stressing because I dropped a bit onto the CPU or onto the motherboard. It didn't touch anything though, which I'm happy about. I'm really scared. Like I thought it was tight in there and now we're gonna get a RAM out. I have my phone. I was doing a little research. We're gonna take a RAM. Let's pop this RAM open. Ow. Go. Cut it open, boys. It's a mess over here. I just need everything out at the same time. Oof, all white. We're gonna go with the build. Ooh, beauty. Beauty. Is this the shorter side or longer side? I think they gotta go in this way. Right. Okay, I am back. I said I'm back. Alexa, no. Okay, I'm back. I just went to go eat. We went to Lone Star. So it's a little later. I didn't get too much progress. I got the RAM slots in. The RAM slots are in. Connected the fan. Fan's tight in. And the LEDs for the fans in there. Obviously this is a little dangly. I'll put zip ties on that. So I opened up both of the side panels and now I'm going to insert... I can't. No. I can't. I said stop. Oh, you. Now I'm gonna insert the power supply. Ooh, this thing is light without. I can't stop. So let's pop the power supply open. I haven't opened this yet. All the other components I had. Okay, let's pop this open again. This is a Corsair, 550 watts, a little higher than I need, but you know it's always good having a little more. For space to upgrade later on. I do not know how to use a knife. Wow. And of course, when you take the top part out, it's in another box. pop this thing open. Where is my knife? Or I should say a knife. Okay. Let's get this centered. Okay, Corsair, blah blah blah. Oh, it's like this. Wait, how are you supposed to open this? Damn, look at this thing. These are all cables, fully modular, so all the cables are outside of the power supply. So it's a separate own box, which is nice. This comes in a nice fabric. Ow. Over and out. Just feel that low carrying pouch. That's pretty cool. Nice, I see the, look, nice little Corsair fanny pack. You know, that'd be nice to put my toothbrush on my, you know, yeah. You know, so yeah. Okay. A lot of zip ties. I thought I would have to go out after and buy more zip ties. There's like a bunch. And also, one thing I didn't show is that there's like crazy cable management back here. So I'll be able to manage my cables pretty nicely. There's like a bunch of built-in Velcro. Steven, you're making a cocktail, my boy. Pop this guy open. Ooh. Okay, so I got all my cables in here. I'll connect my power supply. We don't need that right away. Fully modular, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be easier to route my cables. That's what I think, at least. We'll find that out sooner and shortly. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the case and we'll be right back. Okay, so the power supply is in there. I just screwed it in. Now I might have to unscrew it just because this is modular, so they're not already plugged into the power supply, so I might have difficulties getting into it. But if I do, I'll just be able to screw it right out. Not a problem. I'm gonna put this over on its side. Yeah. And now I'm gonna route the cables through, so whenever we can throw in the motherboard, we'll have easy access to all the cables. So yeah, actually no, I think I'll be fine. We're gonna be setting up the motherboard. We're not doing power supply quite yet. I have this little handy light because the inside's pretty dark and there's not that many lights around here and I don't have any studio lights or any filming lights, so I'm just gonna be using this little lamp. Okay, let's go.
Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. 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 Vocal beats on the beat. Vocal beats on the beat, yeah. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
Okay, all the screws are into the motherboard. Trying to be gentle there. I feel like I'm not being gentle enough with the motherboard. I'm really scared because there's all these little chips and all that stuff around it, so. Okay, this is coming together.
Coming together.
I've been like, Mike is dying. I can go
Mike
pop
is
a battery. Dad,
Mike's dying. Oh no. Oh no, Mike's dying. Call the ambulance.
Steve.
My dad's an idiot.
yeah, I know. So, what I did, managed a bit of the cables in front here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's dark. So, CPU. Got that mounted, got the LEDs for the CPU, so that's just kind of dangling there. Can't really put that anywhere else. It's kind of an awkward spot. Something else that I see, that I realized, I should say, is the AMD logo isn't straight up because I couldn't put it that way. It wasn't working. RAM's in there. Now I'm just gonna run my top IO, and I'm gonna run that through under, and then I'm gonna run my other cables. Got some of the cables plugged into the power supply. So got my 24 pin right here, and some other, whatever they're called, SATA. I'm correct. I'm not the best with the names for these cables, but yeah, I'm gonna start running that. So let's do it.
Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
Okay, day 2, I'm completing this build today. Last night it was like 10:30, had school, so I went to bed, so I didn't get to finish it. I have most of my cables routed, motherboard's in, CPU's in, RAM's in, power supply's in. We just have to do the drives and then the Wi-Fi adapter and the graphics card. But I got to the door and there was a Newegg package waiting for me. It was actually inside the house. I don't know how I got in. I think I know what this is. This is probably the other fan that I ordered. I guess it came in a little later. Where's my knife? I guess it came in a little later. So that's good. I'll have an extra fan because I want 2 fans in front, intake, and then 1 exhaust. Same model, it's nothing fancy, no RGB on them. So I didn't want just like 1 RGB fan and then the rest of them. This isn't a good shot, this is pretty low. Yeah, that's it. Fantex fan, the usuals. Why does this thing look massive? I don't know why this guy looks big. Okay, no, same size. It's just the packaging makes it look massive. My head's not even in the shot. The packaging makes it look massive. I thought it was a different size. So yeah, 120 millimeters. That's gonna go in front with the other stuff. Holy shit, there's so much trash in front. Yeah, it's with Fantex, so I'm gonna pop that in front, connect that maybe to my top IO. Yeah, probably do that. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I have this fan. I think it's gonna be a little more powerful. So what I'm gonna do is this is gonna be my exhaust, and I'm gonna have 2 of the stock fans for intake. It doesn't really reach. This is a 3. It takes 3 pins, but there's 4 pins down here, so I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be fine anyway. It still fits into the plug, but yeah, I'm gonna take this guy up, move him forward, and we'll be able to install the other guy back here.
Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
My drives, I have a couple drives. So if I said it earlier, I have a 2 terabyte disk drive, and then I have what? Everyone's super loud, but I'm just gonna open this. I know it's loud. I'm gonna play some music behind this. Everyone's being loud.
Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
Okay, so this is one of the slots. I have 2 other ones. I can slide in a disk drive in here. Or I should say a Seagate Skyhawk. I'm pretty sure I just pop these guys out. Well, that's easy. Shout out to freaking Fantex. I'm guessing I put this in that way. Right? It would make sense. Let me just screw them in here. I guess. Oh shit.
Vocal beats on the beat. Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
And then what else is next? Graphics card and then the Wi-Fi card. You know what? Let's open this now. I haven't opened this yet. This is the last thing that I haven't opened. Sorry for the background. We're cooking up supper right now. I mean, I'm not cooking up supper. My parents are. See, apparently this one's pretty good. Look at the size of this disc. It's tiny. Okay, so we got instructions. We got these mini little antennas. And this is the card right here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna get to the next thing. Okay, so I routed most of my cables. This is what it's kind of looking like right now. It's not the most organized, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's a little clutter. Like at this one spot here, it's all cluttered. Got SSD disk drive down there. But now it's time for the graphics card. 1070. Let's pop her open. Whew, there she is.
Vocal beats on the beat, bitch.
motherboard is in. I mean, graphics card is in. That was so stressful. I had to pull up a video because I was kind of confused why it wasn't going in. But yeah. Yes. Okay, doing the final touches. The Wi-Fi card is inside, graphics card is inside, routed the LED on the right side. So I guess it's gonna give it that kind of effect. Let's say you're looking at it this way. You're not gonna see it, but I was thinking of putting it down there, except this is tempered glass, so you're gonna see like the LED and it's not gonna shine all the way from the bottom up. So I'm putting it on the side there for now. I might throw it on top. Actually, that would be nice. I don't know. That could be moved up later on. If you guys want to take a look at my cable management, if you can even call it that. No. Yeah, cables are kind of messy. They're gonna be tucked in afterwards. This is like really awkward, so it's gonna be a little more pushed onto the side. I'm gonna route this guy to the side. Down. I don't know if that's a good idea. Push it in there. Okay. Yeah, these guys are just gonna have to stay out. There's no other place. There's like 3 tips on them, so I can't really stuff them without them poking out. Cause I'm gonna have to put a back plate on this after. But yeah, I gotta plug these 2 in, and we're good to go. So next shot will probably be upstairs. Let's hope it turns on. Okay, so we are upstairs right now at my desk. This is a little setup. It's not completely done. You know, there's gonna be some additionals. Might have a setup tour sooner than later, but we're gonna do this. Ooh, satisfying. Got the plastic off. It's a little cricket here. It's kind of pissing me off. I'm gonna go and plug this guy in. Probably should do that before I get too hyped. Cable management overall in the setup isn't that great right now. I'll get like these tubes, or I'll get like a shroud under it, under my desk, just like a pre-built one. So it's gonna be a little more stable. You know what I'm saying? I'm so hyped, guys. Like, oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, do I click on? Oh, we got some RGB lighting up. Do I boot her up? Oh! No way! Woo! She's on it, running. Not sure if she's completely running. I thought that would have been a red LED. Oh. Oh, boys, I am hyped. Fans turning on, that's good. Fans are spinning. Fudge, that's so nice. I did not know that the AMD logo would light up too. So wait, let me pop my monitor on, see if something comes up. Okay, GPU fans are spinning. 2 front fans are spinning. She's not even that loud, boys. Yo, this thing is so sick. Let's get to some B-roll.
Cause I gotta say